Good morning, students. Let's solve some questions related to Pythagoras theorem. This is a question, student. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, P and Q are the points of the sides CA and CB respectively, which divide these sides in the ratio 2:1. Prove that 9 AQ square plus BP square in bracket equals to 13 AB square. So students, this is the solution. First of all, we have to draw the diagram. Right angle triangle is given. Right angle at C. So ACB is a triangle and angle C equals to 90 degree. Now students, P and Q are the points on side CA and CB. So P point lies on CA. Okay, and Q point lies on CB, and the ratio is also given 2:1. The point side CA is given, P point lies on CA, and ratio is given 2:1. So student, we have to put the point P such that CP is to PA equals to 2:1. Means CP part is bigger than PA. Okay, CP is to PA equals to 2:1. Similarly, students, on CB, we have to put a point Q such that CQ is to QB equals to 2:1. Okay, students. So this all information we have to write in given. In triangle ACB, angle C equals to 90 degree. P and Q are CA and CB respectively. The points P and Q are CB and CA respectively, such that CP is to PA and CQ is to QB equals to 2:1. Now student, to prove this line, we can write in to prove 9 AQ square plus BP square equals to 13 AB square. Okay, students. Now the next heading is proof. First of all, students, we will find out relation between CP and CA, CQ and CB. So students, CP is to PA equals to 2:1. This is given to us. So we can say let CP equals to 2x and PA equals to 1x. Okay. If we add both of them, CP and CA, we can get AC. So AC equals to CP plus PA, 2x plus x, CA equals to 3x. So students, let us find out PA upon CA. So PA upon CA equals to x upon 3x, because PA is x, student, and CA is 3x. So PA equals to 1 upon 3 AC. Now students, CP upon AC, CP is 2x, AC is 3x, xx cancel. So we can write CP equals to 2 upon 3 AC. Okay, students. So we have found out here PA equals to 1 upon 3 AC and PC equals to 2 upon 3 AC. Similarly, students, we can easily write here QB equals to 1 upon 3 BC and CQ equals to 2 upon 3 BC. BQ equals to 1 upon 3 BC and CQ equals to 2 upon 3 BC. Okay, students. Now students, you can see here we have to prove 9aq square plus bp square. So we need first aq square. So to get aq square, we are going to take triangle ACQ. So in triangle ACQ, angle C is 90 degree. So by using Pythagoras, AQ square equals to AC square plus CQ square. So in triangle ACQ, angle C is 90 degree. AQ square equals to AC square plus CQ square by Pythagoras theorem. Now student, putting the value of CQ from equation 2. This is the equation 2, student. So at the place of CQ we can write 2 upon 3 BC. Okay students. Then it becomes AQ square equals to AC square plus 2 upon 3 BC square. Let us solve this equation, students. AQ square equals to AC square plus 4 upon 9 BC square. We can take LCM. LCM is 9. So it will become 9 AC square plus 4 BC square. Let us do cross multiplication. Then it will become 9 AQ square equals to 9 AC square plus 4 BC square. Okay students, this is equation number 3. Because we need 9 AQ square and we have got it. Okay students. Now students, we need BP. So we are going to take triangle PCB and angle C equals to 90 degree. And when we use Pythagoras, so then we get BP square equals to PC square plus BC square. So in triangle PCB, angle C 90 degree, BP square equals to PC square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Now student, we are going to put value of PC from equation number 1. So this is the equation 1, student. PC equals to 2 upon 3 AC. So at the place of PC we can write 2 upon 3 AC, student. BP square equals to 2 upon 3 AC square plus BC square. So it will become 4 upon 9 AC square plus BC square. Let us take LCM. What is LCM? 9. Then we get 4 AC square plus 9 BC square. Let us do cross multiplication. 9 BP square equals to 4 AC square plus 9 BC square. So we need 9 BP square. So we have got it here, 9 BP square equals to 4 AC square plus 9 BC square. Now student, you can see we have to add AQ square plus BP square because we need. Okay. So let us add equation number 3 and 4. Equation number 3 and equation number 4. So when we add both of them, we get 9 AQ square plus 9 BP square equal to 9 AC square plus 4 AC square, 13 AC square. 4 BC square plus 9 BC square, 13 BC square. So students, when we add equation number 3 and 4, we get a 9 AQ square plus 9 BP square equals to 13 AC square plus 13 BC square. Okay students, now students, you can see 9 is common here. So what left? AQ square plus BP square equal to 13 is common here. Then we get AC square plus BC square. Now students, in triangle you can see AC square plus BC square equals to AB square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay students, that's why student, here we can write at the place of AC square plus BC square, what we can write? AB square by Pythagoras theorem. Then it will become 9 AQ square plus BP square in bracket equals to 13 AB square, because students, at the place of AC square plus BC square we have written AB square. So we have got, student, our answer 9 in bracket AB square plus BB square equals to 13 AB square. This we have to prove. Okay students? Okay then, have a nice day.